Yep. All right, go ahead and sit in the chair. Open it up. You want me to get it out of there?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, go ahead and take that off. All right, here, watch out. All right. All right. Are any of the pins bent?
Not in this one.
Okay, what about the other one?
Not in that one.
Okay, you want to remove the stickers that need to be taken off?
Yeah, which one do you need to see?
Or just this one?
But, and I know what it says.
Okay.
We need to look for any damages or anything.
Yep. All right. So go ahead and hop up there. And we'll go ahead and take those bolts out that we put back in the holes, all right?
Okay.
And we'll get them out of the way.
There.
All right, get the bolts out, dude. Are you going the right way?
Yeah.
No, you're tightening. I'm going. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Don't worry about what I'm doing. All right, go ahead and get your tools. Do you remember which ones you needed?
Yeah.
All right, let's get them. I'm not even going to tell you which ones you need to get. All right, so you got to get what you think you need. All right, you think that's everything?
Yep, I think so.
All right, well, let's go up here and we'll find out. All right, go ahead and set your tools up here. All right, climb up there. And go ahead and slide that alternator in.
Does it go this way?
Okay, I want you to think about it. Just like sit it right here for a sec. Okay.
No.
The belt's got to go around that, yeah. The easiest way to look at it is see how there's two holes here and then one hole here. Well, this one has two holes here and then one hole over here. All right. Okay, so when we put that in, it's got to go under this piece. So when we drop it in, we want to take and do it like this and kind of tilt it and then turn it in like that, all right?
Well,
So just make sure you got a good hold of it and you ain't gonna smash your fingers, all right? Can you maybe get one hand back here and then one hand kind of up here on the pulley itself? Does that make it a little easier? Oh, we don't want to drop it, dude, because that can damage it, all right? So when we put it in, we want to kind of go like this, and then see how I can slide it right under there?
mm-hmm.
Get it under there, and then we can kind of get it lined up. Then we can start the top, start a bolt.
Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
No, righty tighty. All right, you get it started? Can you pull it out?
Mm.
Okay, so now let's go down here and try to start these two. And sometimes you have to wiggle it around to line up the holes, all right? Is it starting? Nope. It's okay. Let's try to wiggle the alternator. Now try it. Is it going now?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead and start your last one. All right, now you can use that one piece and go ahead and get them hand tight.
This?
Yep. And just get them good and hand tight. All right, good and hand tight. All right, you get all three of them good and hand tight like that. And if you need to put the ratchet on there, you can put the ratchet on there.
Yeah, I need to.
Okay.
So, like, how do I...
Like that. Okay, see how it clicks going this way? Well, we know that's not right, because that's the way we want to go to turn it. Now it clicks this way, and when I pull it back, it tightens it, see? So that's how we want to do it. You can turn it faster, dude. And if you take, when you're turning it, if you kind of use one hand and kind of hold that, see how I'm just kind of holding it? Now see it, try to see how fast you can turn it. See how much faster you can turn it and you don't have to worry about it coming off? Okay, and then when you tighten it, if you take and you hold it like this on there, and put a hand here, and then you can give it just a little bit more and get a little bit extra on it, all right?
Make sure these are done.
Yep. Did you get it real good and snug? Yeah. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get them wires back there that we need to plug in. Go ahead and see if you can pull them out. There's that one. And there's that one. Let's go ahead and plug those in.
Yep. If I'm right, this one goes right, and this one.
Yep. You gotta get in there just right. Alrighty. Now the top one.
And this one goes right.
Alright, now what we need to do next? Oh, no, it wasn't quite all the way in there. We need to get that belt back on, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, will you come here for a minute? Alright, I'm gonna need you to watch out for a sec, buddy. I don't want you to get hurt while I do this. Get on camera detail. So, alright. Put the belt back on. We're gonna follow this right here, remember? We'll make sure it goes the right way. So I know I need to take this go around here like this. Okay, it's on the bottom like it should be. Around that like it should be. Now I just gotta get it around that one. So I get my wrench in here on the pulley. And then I take and turn it.
Doggy.
And that's where you gotta be careful. How it slipped off like that. Sometimes that'll happen. So we turn it as much as we can. Got it under it, over it, and just kind of take a lid off of it easy. Make sure how these have grooves in it, and that belt fits in there just so. You want to make sure the belt's in on all the pulleys, even that one down there on the bottom. Make sure it's in like it's supposed to be, right? Okay. Then what we need to do?
We need to put the other piece back in.
You remember what it's called? The intake. Alright, it's back here in the back of the truck. Okay. You see how this has writing on it? That's always going to be to where you can actually read it. You won't be able to read it like that, would you? Would you be able to read it like that? That's simple, right? So we know it goes that way. Alright. So we can go ahead and put those two ends on.
Looks like I need this one on first.
Kind of wiggle it and push. Okay, now I'll do the other one. Sometimes you gotta pull it back a little bit so you can move it. And then, there we go. Now push and wiggle. There we go. Then connect that one back on there. Push it on there real good. Alright, then go ahead and tighten up those screws. Tightening up those right there. That one. And I'm just going to double check, make sure you got these bolts tight. Alright. Yep. Pretty tight. Alright, that one's good and tight. Alright, that one's good and tight. Now get this one over here.
It's like the truck's moving.
That is putting weight on it.
Like
So,
this one?
yep. So we'll tighten it up real good. Go find you a socket that says 8 in Oh, you got it? That'll work. All right, now what do we need to do?
Plug the battery down.
Plug the battery back up. There you go. Negative first.
How did you get it out?
You just pull it. It don't have the little button like
I know.
the ratchet does.
I know.
So we get it on there good and snug. Make sure we can't. Well, we can twist it, so that's not good. So I'm gonna get it. I got a deeper one, so I can get on there without running that into the tool itself. So I get on there, snug. And on this one, you gotta be careful because if you listen, it'll go. Zzz. Hear that? Well, if you're doing that, and say like you're resting your arm on here, and you do that, it'll shock you. Let me just kind of tap that down a little bit. Make sure it's on there. Take the screwdriver, we'll spread it apart a little bit, make sure we get it down on there good. Wiggle it a little bit, and then we can tighten it up. And then what do you think?
I'll take these pieces back.
Alright, what do you think we need to do next?
Nothing.
We need to check our work. We need to make sure nothing's going to fly apart or...
Okay.
So we want to start it up. Alright. So, go over there and get in on the other side.
Okay, I can start it up. I can start it up all by myself.
Alright, here's the key. You might have to wiggle the steering wheel a little bit. Hold on a sec. Oh, you have it pushed in all the way. Okay, so we know we've got the battery hooked up good because our light's on. So go ahead and start it. Alright, there we go. It started. It's running. Okay, so... Okay, see this right here?
Yeah.
That has to deal with what we changed. That's called your voltmeter. Okay, see how it's sitting down there like on the bottom of the end?
Yeah.
Well, as I drive it, it should go up to about the O, maybe the R.
Okay.
So, but we started up, then we come out here and we're gonna check some stuff. Okay, so the belt looks like it's turning good. And nothing's rattling real bad.